February's Project of the Month goes to the 6x8 guard booth delivered to High Point University in High Point, North Carolina. The design of this booth is very custom, including a brick veneer finish and a hip roof with a custom color. An exterior floodlight was also included for added security. Visibility from all sides was very important to the security officers, so every side of the structure included windows for full visibility. A sliding door and sliding window were installed to preserve space inside the booth and give the security officer easy access to traffic. The booth was outfitted with an HVAC unit, rubber flooring, and an 18-inch deep stainless steel countertop for comfort. Thank you so much to High Point University for the great project. If you have a newly installed panel built project, submit your photos to info@panelbuilt.com for your chance to win $50.